Namaskaram everyone, welcome to Quick Trading. So today we are going to see an interesting swing trading strategy. Many people are asking for the swing strategy. So this is one of the swing strategies. So for swing you don't require too complex, too many indicators and all. So basically based on your trading style you can choose 2 or 3 indicators and you can use it on regular basis, which gives more profit after backtesting. So in our current strategy we are going to use money flow index. So what is this indicator? Money flow index is a technical oscillator which tells us when there is a trend reversals. So this is similar to RSI, but kind of instead of the conventional whatever the traditional RSI which contains only price, this also contains volume. So many people call it as a volume weighted RSI. So based on the price and volume, this oscillator money flow index works. So it is better than the RSI compared to results, which I have observed personally. Okay, so how we are going to use this money flow index? So for swing strategy we always need to use the higher time frames above 15 minutes. 1 hour 1 day is better, I guess. So here we are going to use 1 day time frame. Whenever the MFI money flow index with period 7 crosses above 40, we are going to make an entry. So exit, I'm leaving it up to you guys. You can, based on your risk appetite, you can make the, however we are going to see with different risk rewards how our trade works with so on what all stocks we need to apply. We can apply on any stocks, but for our back testing we are going to see all the Nifty 50 stocks from last 1 year, how it performed. Okay, let us jump into the strategy. Let us see how the strategy looks and how the results looks like. So this is our strategy. Here you can see all the Nifty 50 stocks I have added. So I didn't add it manually. There is a way. In Nastri there is something called basket. You can add the basket. Either you can import or export whatever the added stock. Similarly, you can, if you have an Excel sheet with all the Nifty 50 stocks, you can directly import it. And also, if you guys want, I can also provide in the description with all these Nifty 50 stocks, or you can ask in Streak community in Telegram. They can also give you guys. Okay, once I have added all these Nifty 50 stocks with 1 day time frame, and we are going to, so here number of shares we are not going to use number of shares. So instead we are going to use an option called capital based. So our position sizing is based on the capital, so it doesn't matter whatever the quantity you are mentioning here. Okay, so just for the sake I just gave one. So capital based, how much we are going to allocate? Maximum 20,000 per each, for each trade. Okay, so for example here I'm going to give 1:1, 10:10. Whenever MFI with 7 period crosses above 40 with 10% stop loss, 10% target from 2020 April to till date, we are going to backtest. This is CNC normal since this is a swing trading. So let us backtest. So as you see, these are the results that we are getting if you use this strategy from last 1 year with this position sizing. So as you see, we allocated 20,000. So if you see, the quantity may differ to each. For example, for Adani Ports, it entered with 58 quantity. When the price has been increased, the quantity got changed based on our allocation. See, whenever there is a 730 price, it entered with only 27. So the position size is again all depends on the whatever the maximum allocation we have given with capital based. You can see around 4,46,000 is the profit we are getting out of 437 signals, 332. This is pretty good percentage, winning percentage we are getting. So there are few stocks with 100% profit also we are seeing. Again, that's what, if you want to deploy only few stocks, you can still do that by using these check boxes. Similarly, we can see that there is no stock with the loss. There is not even a single stock which is encountered in loss, end up in loss from last 1 year. So let us change this to 15% and see how it works. Now I have changed this to 15% and seeing 10:15%, 10% loss, 15% profit. Still we can see there is not even a single stock we encountered which is in loss. So all these stocks, you can see how it worked in this bullish market. So around 5,24,000 is the profit we are getting if using this particular strategy. Hope you got this. Let us know your inputs. stay tuned. We'll come up with more interesting strategies.